Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 87 Audi Quattro, and this is only one in the box, and not sure, a lot of people are not buying this one. So I find it pretty interesting because it does look like a chase version, because usually if you see the premium chases it will be in the pure black color. So I bought it, and let's see how this one looks in hand. So one of my friend actually told it doesn't have much details to it. So let's see how it looks. So I personally like the black colors, but it's the only issue is taking photos of it. So out of the box, the first impressions are as usual. Every black color cars in Hot Wheels have the same issue. The paint job looks like shit. You can see a lot of particles here, scratches. I'm not sure why that is happening, and honestly, that is not design. That is purely either dust or some kind of particles there. And it does have some nice interior detail to it. The windows are not actually tinted with any color, it is just transparent. So it does have headlight details which is painted out. So it just looks like a block of metal here. There is nothing embossed or engraved or anything like that. It says Quattro, which is nice. So it does have the Audi logo here, and there are no details on the rear, no tail light details. So this side also you can see the Hot Wheels logo and also the Audi logo. So this one does have the rear view mirrors, which is really nice. So if anyone is planning to mod something, this would be a best car, if you ask me. This looks really nice actually. It is a little very lightly heavy compared to average casting. It has an exhaust detail here, which is really nice. Okay, so this part is, I think, plastic. Yeah, this part is plastic here. It has wiper detail also. That is nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls a little bit slow, but it rolls really smooth, which is really nice. Honestly, it is calming. And I don't see any wheel wobble there, so which is really awesome. So if you guys are wondering, this spoiler is made of metal. So full body is metal. So this part, the chassis entirely is plastic. So till this part is metal here, if you guys are wondering. So rest of the things are plastic, wheels are plastic. So overall, if you ask me, if you want to buy this specific casting, I would say go ahead, because as a collector, I personally like it. But even if you want to play with it, it is a really nice car. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, it's a thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.